Welcome everybody to the closing bell chart chat. Welcome everybody to the closing bell. We had the YouTube thing on. That's what happens. Okay. A lot of our stocks are ramping. They are on fire. We have some amazing market action right now. I have fans up on the screen. Why do I have fans? I'm so excited by this stock because it has been one of the most frustrating stocks. It does these crazy moves and it pulls back, just throws everybody off, fakes people out, and then it makes new highs. How long have we been talking about this? For the last 3 months. I've been saying 250 is the target. For the last month, I've been saying it's going to be breaking out. Finally, it broke out. It's on the run. Looks like we're at $1.92. Are we going to close at $2, above $2? I think we're going to see some action at the close, but this thing looks like it can really rip right through to $3 plus, maybe even $5. Full momentum mode. Just check out. It's actually this thing is very cheap in the space. Look, the the gaming stocks, esports, betting, all the stuff is on fire. I mean, look at EGLX has finally caught a bid. I mean, that thing is what is a $1 billion market cap. I think the market right now is looking. The Canadians are looking for the the values in the space, and the values are in Fans Unite, ESE. ESE is another value stock. Let me just close out. Let's see here. Let me just close out. Hang on a second. Let me close out a couple of windows here so we can go into. Let's see here. Yeah. Here we go. Fans Unite. Fans Unite. Amazing. ESE. Check this out. ESCs. Okay, so 250. I think I'm going to use these Yahoo charts from now on. Okay, so 250 was the pivot. Stock is in full bull mode. This is the 1-day intraday chart for all you degenerate day traders. It is in momentum mode. Let's take a look at the 1 month. Wow, this thing looks like it just wants to blow past like $355. I mean, ESE has like a $5 feel to it. I mean, it's amazing. Let's look at SHG. Wow. This thing is this is classical bull market. This thing looks like it's 250 plus the next, I don't know, week, days. Breaking out right here. Companies doing institutional meetings right now. Yeah. You saw Prad Shekar on our live stream. Was it a couple days ago? This week has flown past. Was it yesterday? I don't know. But yeah, the company's doing. Look, who's their bankers now? He talked about it. Raymond James, Oppenheimer. Who else is in there? He's got the BTIG. So this company is getting. This company is really getting. It's getting institutional sponsorships. I mean, you're not going to see this at these price levels. I think retail investors are very lucky to get in here because a lot of institutions can't really play in the space yet. So I think the company's just laying groundwork right now. And you know what? Like between you and me, I think the U.S. market, healthcare institutional investors. They're going to fall in love with Prad, CEO of SHG. I mean, this guy is going to be a rock star in the U.S. market with institutions. So, that's everything is really lining up. NM, Novamind. Catching a bid, amazing breakout. I don't know what's going on. Something's going on here. Something's going on. Something is up. Breaking out, all-time high, $2. Well, it started at $1.40. So let's see what happens. Again, the companies, we check out the video. We have the videos with the CEO, Yaron Conforti, talking about $200 million revenue business. in the next few years, what is that worth? 10x, 2 billion plus. Do the math. CBDT, amazing stock. I've made this comment just recently. What's weird is a lot of these stocks, these things, when they go 20x, they explode, they kind of look like, oh, that's it, they're exhausted. Not this one. It really looks like it's got legs. Look at her one-day chart. Oh, what's going on? My chart's screwed up here. How do I see what happened. How do I do this? No, I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to read this Yahoo thing here. Anyway, stock is really hanging out at these price levels, $1.25. Do you remember when this was 5 cents? This debuted at a nickel. At a nickel. I don't even know if I have any change. I don't even have any nickels here. Yeah, at a nickel. You could have bought this at a nickel just back in October on our live stream. They debuted $1.25 now. So it's over 20x. I'll tell you, when stocks go to above $1.25, it's like $2.50. That becomes the next level. But it feels very comfortable. The stock is not like one of these, sometimes when stocks just break out, they kind of get scared by, they don't feel comfortable at that new price level. Not Empower. CBDT is very comfortable at these levels. So I think we're going to see some stickiness. You might see a little bit of consolidation, maybe $1, but it's hanging around. AIML. Take a look at this chart. Very impressive. This thing looks like it's ready to blow up. We had the little demo today. I wish it would have gone smoother because I think we didn't. We didn't prepare it. I think I should have done a run through with these guys before and said, "Hey, here's what you do. This with this." No, but it was good. I think. I think I'm glad you guys got to see the CEO of the company, Randy. So it's a very good team with Randy, with Tim. And so if you saw the video, basically Tim is in Italy right now. He's a Canadian guy. He's stuck in Italy because of the COVID thing. He had the device on and the data was going to Randy in Canada. And you can kind of see on Randy's screen the data. Basically, this is marketed to insurance companies. They can track patient, healthcare stuff. Get alerts in advance. There's a lot of applications. This is they get 100,000 users, $25, off to the races. Let's see what else is going on. VST, of course. This is kind of like our ARC Healthcare. ARC. What is it? The Kathy, what's her name? Kathy Woods. Yeah, this is sort of like the ARC Invest, disruptive technology investing in they're a microcap stock, but they're investing in VC companies. Fans was a spinoff. They got another spinoff coming out, which is Game On is the company. I think the market I'm really shocked the market hasn't figured out the VST yet. Again, I think this is going to be a 10-bagger. Look, every stock we take on here I believe is going to be a 10-bagger. So they're all really kind of pre-vetted. I don't want to waste time with stocks that are 3x. We're pretty selective, to be very frank with you, in the companies we bring onto our platform. We're looking for massive winners. Life is too short to screw around with, stocks that, go up 10%. We want 100 baggers. I'll tell you what, let me take a look at TRIP. Let's take a look at TRIP. Where is the TRIP chart? How do I pull up the TRIP chart? Oh, look at this Bitcoin. I'm going to look at the Bitcoin chart. Wow, Bitcoin. Yeah. Hey, I said 20,000. I said 20,000. This thing is going to blow up, go to 100,000. Oh, here we go. This is how we're going to do it. It's very handy. I like this red light. red. Shit. Not user friendly. A red light, right? Prof. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Yeah. It's. I think this is going to be a lot higher, but it's doing a little bit of a pullback. Actually, today's action pretty good here. Yeah, I think we're going to see. We're gonna. I think this might be the. You know what? I think this is the. I think it bottomed out right here today. I can't get this here. Yeah, it's kind of a support level, 50 cents. It bounced off the 50 cent. We're gonna have Todd Shapiro is gonna be back on our live stream next week. I don't have the date in front of me. He's gonna be back on next week. I know he's got some things cooking, so that should be exciting. Psychedelics. Brand new company to our platform. So again, we had the CEO on our live stream yesterday. Very interesting what this guy's doing. So he ran High Times magazine. High Times, the big cannabis magazine, and he's basically gonna take a lot of his contacts and do the same thing in the psychedelic space. So that is what's going on. You gotta kind of keep track of it. This is going to be a story that's going to really unfold over the next couple of weeks. So by the way, if you're just tuning in right now, press the like button, the subscribe button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the links in the video description below so you can get onto our Telegram is where we announce things first. And of course, we announced a couple of them. We announced Delic. On that, we announced Hap B today. Unfortunately, you know what? I really wanted to announce this right over here, like 2 days ago, like when the stock was still in the 70-cent range. But I don't like to. We had another company that was debuting, and I don't want to have like a bunch. And this week we had two announcements. I'd like to really bring on one new company a week, and we're not going to have any more companies for probably a month. So it's just this week. It's been. I think did we introduce any companies in January or no? We did. So we kind of went through a period of we're not taking on any new companies, and then we brought on 4 companies. So I don't like to do too many at once. I like them to get their own attention. It's because it's only fair. But unfortunately, somebody. Look, the companies put out news with the filings, they disclose. So, somebody apparently reads these CDR filings, and they put 2 and 2 together, and they kind of figured out, okay, they're working with Octagon Media, aka Wall Street Reporter. Octagon Media is the parent company. So I guess they kind of figured something out. So I figured, look, let me just put this out as an announcement that. But yeah, so somebody leaked, I guess, figured it out, when the stock was around 70 cents this morning. So we're at $1 now. Oh, so here is the technology. This is amazing. So here, I'm going to actually, I don't want to talk too much about it because I'm only talking about the technical stuff. I'm going to have the CEO on tomorrow. Oh, look at this shit. I didn't even notice this. I just got this. I got the box. The box just came in. I just opened it. I didn't even do anything. Literally, I got the FedEx thing came in, and so it comes in a nice little box. Very, this is very. And here's what it says. This is the feelings. It gives you these feelings. Be alert. Be focused. Be relaxed. Be happy. Be calm. So yes, I think these guys are doing something. It's a sort of like Blade Runner. Blade Runner, that movie. In the you can look at this. It glows like the Mac. I'm not doing product reviews here. This is yeah, but I like the chart. I like everything about it. So yeah, I think in Blade Runner they talk about like they plant dreams, so you can have dreams. So we're getting into something amazing technology. I'm really excited. We're living in exciting times. I mean, I think you guys, Polyglot Stocks. Listen, man, you're very lucky to be 23 and you're living in a new era. We have stuff like this going on. You got drones, you got all sorts of stuff. You know, when I was 23, we didn't even have shoes. I mean, electricity wasn't even invented. Yeah, you made a lot of gains on Fans Unite. All right. I'm glad you're making gains. I think the stock is going a lot higher. Again, make sure if you're new to our channel, click the like button, subscribe, join our email list through our website, wallstreetreporter.com. Yeah. Randy from AIML, absolutely. A true Canadian. Is that, what is it, positive? Canadians supposed to be like, I guess, great people. I don't know. So let's see here. Yeah, Delic is very interesting. Pratt, superstar. Market cap. Fans, I think, is a bargain. I think Fans is the deal. ESE. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Polyglot hack. Yeah, send cash. Oh, actually, we have, some guys. We had the Joe Hanif is his real name. Hanif sent 2 boxes of Davidoff cigar, Grand Cru #2 cigars. Those are good cigars. Those are not cheap. 2 boxes, well, 5. They're 5-packs, so it's 10. But it's like $20 a cigar. Those are good cigars. All right, fans on fire. Let's go to the video. Is Fans $1.96? Fans is gonna make everybody like work for every penny here as it breaks $2. It's gonna make everybody work. ESE into the close, $2.75. Can we get CBDT $1.25? AIML. Wow. Relay today. What's going on with the Relay? This thing is, look, it had a massive move and it needed to consolidate that. That's what's going on. Here is the base. 60 cents is the base level. And I think we're going to see a bounce off here. And it could see probably, kind of the way I look at this chart, right? The way I'm looking at this, because it's been kind of coiling up. Once it builds a nice base at 60 cents, it could be a $3 number pretty quickly. It might take about 2 months. So you can get 4x your money, basically. RHT, same type of deal. Also in the health tech space. But this is starting a little bit of a higher kind of level here. So again, I'm looking at this as a 10-bagger. Look at this. I like these Yahoo charts. This is pretty good. I'm going to use this instead of the other thing. Amazing action here. Why am I showing you this 5-year chart, or 219? Because this stock is going to be over here. Look at this double bottom. You got this massive double bottom. It's a $3, $4, $5 stock. Relic, RHT. Just watch. Okay, so RHT, I'm showing you this one, right? Cabin's hanging out. Looks like it's pretty strong. Yeah, it might consolidate this. It's in bull mode. This thing is in bull mode. Hap beat 98 cents. We're going to see him tomorrow. Logic is going to be back. They can't really talk too much because they're doing the offering. So it's really, it's kind of like, we're going to be kind of, I don't know what you could talk about. But this thing is going to be a monster. How big of a monster? Let me show you this. 5-year chart. What was the price? $60, $70. That's where it could be. I think so. 2 years. Yeah, this thing has been coiling. This thing is ready to blow up. This thing is ready to blow up. 5-year, what am I looking at? 5 days, 3 months. Yeah, this is the base right here. It is below the moving average. You see the moving average, 893, so it's got to get above that number. But I think we're going to see $40 on the stock. We introduced this at $3.50. It ran to $14. Pullbacks. The usual thing. I mean, you know, you guys have been through this. If you're watching this, I mean, you've seen this for a while. That is the normal thing that happens on these channels. Whoa, super chat, Brock Anderson. Brock Anderson. We're waiting for those T-shirts. The moment you get that T-shirt with the Silver Daddy T-shirt, he's gonna be back. No, I think next week. I think next week. I think probably with drill results. He comes on with drill results. You know the deal. So that's what's going to happen. Thank you for the super chat, Brock Anderson. For some reason, like some charts, TradingView, I don't like their charts. Like, I don't know why I was using big charts. I'm kind of used to, I like a show it, but I think this Yahoo thing is actually much better. I think they did some new feature. Maybe I just didn't watch it. Maybe I guess I saw this late. Yeah, Relay is needs to build a base here. It's a 60 cent range, and then it could pop, $3-4. Very interesting hearing from the doctor today. This company is onto some impressive things. And this guy talks big picture. Oh, so here's interesting. So Dr. Greenberg, this guy had a 50 bagger. He had his last public company, which was where's my notes? You got to check out this thing. Where's my? Okay, I threw out the notes here. But anyway, he listen. His last company was a 50 bagger. Can this be a 50 bagger? Well, okay, so he's got to back up 50 bagger from the institutional round. So I think when it went public, it might have been an 8x or 10x from there. But by the way, this is this is 2004. That's when a 50 bagger was real money. Today, it's much easier. So I think that Relay could be a 10 bagger. Holger, hey Holger, yeah. Greetings to you. Guten Tag. I saw your email. Thank you for the email. A very nice email. And yeah, we got to do more stuff in Germany. We got to do because it's a great market. I think it's a very small market, but it's a great market for the micro caps. We're gonna actually get David Hasselhoff to do a show. I know he's big in Germany. We're gonna get David Hasselhoff to be the host of the program. I'm glad you liked it. So no, we had 3 companies. This is an action-packed day today. We had Cabin, AIML, Relay, and we try to do demos. I think some of the demos, it's difficult to get live demos. Sometimes it doesn't always work right. But yeah. Let's go to the charts. ESE, what a crazy day. Look at this, the amazing action. I mean, this thing is like a volatile stock. Look, this is now it's not working. Interval. Oh, I see interval. Okay, now I know how to use this. No, interval. 5 minute. There we go. We do 1 day. Okay. Oh, broke support. This is not this is short term. We're looking minute by minute. 240 is the next level of support, but it broke. These moving averages, I don't know if you can even really use these. They should be because it's such a close up. Let's see, 200. 200, yeah. So it's got to pull back a little bit. Okay, hey, that's what happens. They come and they go. But the long-term chart is in full bull mode. It is in bull mode. Yeah. Oh, I think it's gonna fake people out here with this moving average break. Might fake some people out, but if you look at this pattern, right, we got this kind of flag, pennant, wedge, whatever you have forming. It might hang around in this range, 230, even 225, 275. Do a little bit of consolidation, and then it can go to $5. Again, we had the CEO on the live stream a couple of days ago. His goal, $100 million revenues this year in esports. So he's doing a roll up. He's got a bunch of acquisitions in the hopper, in the pipeline. Let's see what they close, right? Let's see how much you can close. SHG. Let's look at this. Here we go. Oh, I'm doing the 5 minute. That's what's going on. Okay, this is the proper chart. See, this is the thing. It's all these things are a matter of perspective. So we're at right around here, $1.85, right? So it looks really nice. If it closes in this range, it's going to be a really, really nice setup for SHG. Should we do a? Let me see. I'll do a 50-day moving average. Actually, 80-day. What is that? 80 days, like a GAN number. Yeah. Fans. Somebody must be pushing it down. They don't want it to break $2. I think this is the magic number. CloudMD, a pullback here. What's going on? How do I get this chart? How do I get this to look like a normal chart? 1 day, 1 year, interval, 1 year. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay, so I got to really look at, I got to look at the US. How come I'm not getting a normal? Oh, it's the timeline. Okay. No, why is this not getting? I don't know why this chart is not getting all the data. So it's not getting all the data, but this is the US chart. It's kind of in the support range. I mean, they announced this financing that probably knocked the wind out of it. It was just getting some momentum. But look, every time they do a financing, the stock keeps coming back stronger. I mean, because they deploy that money to whoa. $50 super chat. Soul. Oh, hello from Illinois. Thank you for all your data. You have made me thousands and closer to my goals. Okay. Wow, that's very generous, Soul. Thank you very much. $50 super chat. That means, that means that you're getting value. That's what I like about it. I know some people do this super chat, whatever they like. I'm not in the business of making money on the super chat stuff, but I think it's a good thing for people to kind of I don't know. Some people think hey, they make money. They figure I'm going to kind of spread around. It's a spiritual thing. I don't know. So it's a good thing for people. So that's why I enable people who want to do it. It's sort of like an offering, a good, it's, I don't want to deep spiritual stuff. Okay, Cynthia's $20 super sticker. I don't know what super sticker means, actually. It must be some sort of YouTube thing. I don't know how that works or what that is, or what is the difference between that and the mess and the super chat. But Cynthia from Canada, thank you for the $20 super sticker. I guess if you make a comment or a question, you can add it in the super chat or in the regular chat. Yeah, fantastic. You can't sleep because you don't need to sleep. Sleep is for wimps, man. Sleep is for wimps. You should be trading penny stocks 24/7. That's what you should be doing, man. Actually, you can, because you got the Frankfurt Exchange, right? So, that's right. You really should not be sleeping, because you got the Frankfurt Exchange during daylight, or in Germany, right? And then you got the U.S. markets, which is right now it's what is it? It's 10 o'clock at night, your time, right? 10 o'clock. Yeah, you don't need to sleep. Trading was halted for the financing. For the financing announcement. You're welcome. Great day for fans. It'll be a great day when fans is $5. 6 minutes to the close. Will fans close at $2? Will fans close? Can fans make it? Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Can we do the 1 minute chart? No. I don't know how to use these charts, man. I don't know how to make this thing work properly. Oh, here we go. I see what's going on. Okay. Okay. This is what you got to do. You got to do this like, there we go. Okay. I figured out how to use the Yahoo. So I'm going to do let's call it a 5 minute chart. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so fans holding above the moving average, right? You got that 80 unit moving average, buck 96, bull mode. See, this is the $2 is that resistance. It really is like it wants, but this thing looks like it really wants to go up. So if it goes up, if this thing settles at $2, I will be shocked. To be honest with you, I'm not. I don't think it's going to make it. I think it's going to. It's gonna probably like fake people out, and then like people are gonna panic, and then it'll be like $3 next Tuesday. That's what's gonna happen. It's gonna be a $3 stock in a couple of days after it shakes people out. I wonder if I can use a 2 minute. No, 2 minutes really, that's so ridiculous. Now 5 minute is the way to go. So wow, this is okay. So we got some big action here. Some big action during the day. Oh, here we go. So we started here. Here we are. Yeah. So this is looking pretty good. Now it might buck 97 as we get 4 minutes. 4 minutes, it might make it. It might make it. CBDT holding strong. Novamind $1.99. Also very impressive. Also the $2 for Novamind was like that. It broke above $2 and it got rattled. So, but it's $1.99 now. They don't want to give up that penny. Let's see what else is moving right now. Fidelity charges $50 fee foreign settlement to buy happy. Oh, because it's over the counter. Hey, at least you're lucky you can buy it. $50. You gotta buy enough shares, I guess, to make it worthwhile, right? Okay. Hey, Cynthia, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Which stocks? Put it in your comments. Which stocks are you in? Which stocks are you making money in? How much are you up percentage-wise? We don't need to know your personal details. Don't give us your just what are you up percentage-wise? We don't, okay. Frankfurt is a problem. Some stocks you can't buy. Which stocks can't you buy? I don't know his songs. I mean, believe it or not, I mean, David Hasselhoff is, I know he's big in Germany. Nobody knows his music in the US, but I understand he was big. Actually, they had some good bands. I saw, what's that band from the 80s? I just realized it was called, what was it called? Made in Japan? Made in Japan. Who's the singer? I didn't even know who these guys were. I just saw this video, like an 80s video, and I remember that song from the 80s. It's a great song, Made in Japan. Holger, who makes that? Who's the band behind that? Made in Japan. Tony Wong, 1100% CBDT, 100%, 84%, $12 RHT. Oh, you're up $12. Bought 10 shares. Ameritrade, yeah. Frankfurt, low volumes, yeah. Hey, no, it's not the Scorpions. Scorpions is a different German band. No, yeah, it's interesting. The Germans have actually some good music. I guess what is it that I read some of that? What art is for France, music is for the German speakers, because they had Beethoven, Mozart, so they have a thing for music. Alphaville, that's the band. Alphaville. I didn't know who they were. I remember that song. I did not know who this band was all this time. I remember that song from the 80s, and yeah, it's amazing. Fans $1.98, 1 minute to the close. ESE 244, holding strong. This ESE has been all over the map today. All over the map. I mean, it's amazing, this stock. Oh, okay. We're at support 240. 240 is the support level. So I think we're going to drop to 240 probably, and then, shake out whoever needs to be shaken out. Onwards and upwards to $3. Hap B. Oh my God. Is my thing on? No, I gotta get this. I gotta get this thing working. I gotta set it up. It's pretty cool. We're gonna have the demo from the CEO. By the way, this is the first generation device. So this is like, it's like Apple. It's like the iTunes, iPod. $1.03. Okay. People are apparently enthusiastic, and they've been able to figure out the possibilities of this deal. And of course, fans had to close at $1.97. It did not want to make anybody happy today. Novamind, $1.99. Also, $1.97, $1.99. It's ridiculous how these things are. But yeah, no, the market, very nice moves in the market today. I think we're set up for some big in Japan. Yeah. I think, we're upgrading. We're getting into the 21st century here. Bigley, IPNFF. Oh, that's an old name. PKK, PKK. Doc is, you're gonna have to be a little more patient. I think it's, they do this financing. The stock gets knocked out for a little while. They do some acquisitions, and then they're gonna be back. $5. I mean, I think at this point, this is probably the last financing round before it really runs. Okay, Conrad, if you're watching, you got to get the stock trading in Frankfurt. Would be actually, that would be a good move. That would be a great move. I'm going to send him a note. He's got to get this listed in Frankfurt. I'm surprised. I thought they were listed. Yeah, I don't follow some of these listings, but he definitely. I mean, that would be a great catalyst, because the company has a big European base. That might be in the works, though. I got to find out. Okay. Nortel. That's not one of our stocks. I remember that from the 90s. That stock. That's not one of ours. We're only into the big winning stocks, 10 baggers, 100 baggers right now. Okay, so that wraps things up. Things are looking really good tomorrow. Logic, LGIQ. Thank you for the bigly, the huge super chat. Soul O, $50 super chat. Cynthius, $20. And Brock Anderson, $6.99. Okay, I will see you guys on tomorrow's live stream. We're going to have Logic, LGIQ, and Happy, which is this thing here. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, see you tomorrow.